It was a scorching summer afternoon when George decided it was time for a father-son barbecue. Pulling his reluctant son Tim away from video games, George was determined to create some lasting memories. With an air of confidence, he wheeled out the long-neglected grill from the garage. Tim, with his teenage aloofness, questioned his father's enthusiasm, smirking slightly as George struggled to ignite the grill. George, undeterred, waved off Tim's skepticism, assuring him that it would be an unforgettable day. As the grill finally sputtered to life, the overpowering smell of gasoline filled the air, making Tim wrinkle his nose in disgust. Ignoring the minor setback, George quickly loaded the grill with an excessive amount of charcoal, convinced that more was better. Tim couldn't suppress a chuckle as his father fumbled with the lighter fluid, generously dousing the charcoal. With a triumphant grin, George struck a match. The resulting fireball singed his eyebrows and elicited a startled scream from Tim. As the storm of flames subsided, George's overconfidence began to falter. He half-heartedly attempted to salvage the situation, poking and prodding the stubborn coals. Tim, now slightly concerned but still amused, offered to order pizza. Not wanting to admit defeat, George declined, vowing to master the grill. Hours ticked by, with blackened burgers and charred chicken providing a stark contrast to George's initial optimism. Meanwhile, Tim documented the comedic catastrophe on social media, tagging it #Barbecue Blunder.